Next thing that is very special in all the birds, especially in flight birds, is presence of air sacs, which make their breathing efficient. Children, as you all know that we have lungs as a breathing organ for respiration. Birds also have lungs, but they have special air sacs in addition to their lungs with hollow bones that allow these gases to flow around the body more easily. This means a bird goes further and does more work. Bird needs an efficient breathing system because during flight bird needs more energy, and this is possible only when it has an efficient breathing system. So air sacs provides an efficient breathing system in birds. Next common feature in all the birds is presence of beak. Every bird has a beak which is used to search for food, capture it, tear it and eat it. The shape of beak is according to the type of food. And children, about beaks of birds we will discuss in detail in our coming EVS sessions. So you just have to remember this, that all birds have beak. So all these unique features like feathers, wings, a beak, hollow fused bones and air sacs are what give birds their amazing abilities. Next time you find birds tweeting at your window or flying above you way up in the sky, observe them well. Maybe now you will get to know them better. One more thing is that all birds reproduce by laying egg. This we had done in chapter Animal Life also, that some animals they reproduce by laying eggs and some by giving birth to babies. So birds fall in the category of oviparous, means they are egg laying animals. Children, do you know that hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards and upside down? The design of a hummingbird's wing differ from most other types of birds. Hummingbirds have a unique ball and socket joint at the shoulder that allows the bird to rotate its wings 180 degrees in all directions. Isn't it interesting? So this is all for today's session.